Sundsketti Osman torni. Kauppakatu 17.
72.
Or
actually,
7.
No, it's 17.
Yeah, 17. Lappeenranta Staircase C. In 1956 and modernized in 2021. It's 355. New serial number is B1 is Y2408.
I didn't even know this building had a gated elevator as original, like a few years ago.
Yeah. It was the best or second best elevator in Lappeenranta.
Yeah, and also the oldest original in years. The water tower has the oldest original of them all from 1955. Hissinhuolto with the gate.
Yeah.
But it's not in use for visitors.
Yeah.
Because there's an observation level.
The one right this now.
Yeah. At least it has the gate.
Yeah.
And I think this is still way better than those of the Viljelitalo, because now they are destroying them. At least the pictures are better.
Yeah. Kaikki vain sitä meidän tautissa on description.
This door is really nice.
Yeah.
Shaft.
That's